Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model, storage, and iOS so you know which fixes apply. This saves time. Once done, charge the iPad above 80% and use an original cable to avoid power issues, then perform a soft reset by holding power and home or volume until the Apple logo appears. Make sure to back up to iCloud or Finder now so you won't lose data. These steps establish a stable baseline and prevent surprises when you update, restore, or swap hardware components. Next, you update or restore the system to eliminate software faults. Updating through settings is fastest, but if the device won't update, use recovery mode with Finder or iTunes and load the correct IPSWA for your model. Make sure to free up storage by deleting big apps, offloading unused apps, and moving photos to the cloud or your computer so performance improves. If the iPad is unresponsive, choose Restore in recovery mode as a last resort. This replaces system files and often resolves deep software corruption. Finally, you verify hardware. Test the battery health with a diagnostic tool and replace the battery if capacity is below about 80% or runtime is poor. Once done, inspect the charging port and screen for damage. Replace a worn port or cracked display using anti-static precautions and the correct screw kit so you don't introduce new faults. After reassembly, fully charge, restore your backup, and run a quick diagnostic. If problems persist, contact a professional. Socket damage or logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.